Hi students, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to focus on another worksheet, that is worksheet number 24. In the previous class I told you, I explained you about the 20 question worksheet number 23. There we have discussed about segment 3, that is from human relationship, the journey. Let us recap that once again. In that segment, we have talked about the feelings, inner feelings of the narrator, about carrying, allowing his father carrying the luggage to the bus stop. Initially, the narrator was against the thought of carrying the luggage by his father, but he could not do himself, he could not carry the luggage by himself, as some thoughts, some ideas has obstructed him to do so. He thought that he is, after all, he is a government official and he is an educated, and education had made him shun to do physical labor. So that's why, even though he was young, able to carry a 20 kilo box or a chest on his shoulder, but sin, even though he was not in a position to carry the box. Hence, finally, with dilly dallying, he allowed his father to carry the luggage. So, after that, on the way, they did not talk much. They talked, they walked like two strangers who know different languages. So, like that, they have passed. On a spot, they have taken rest, and the father asked for the wine which the narrator was carrying on his in his hand. He asked for it and he poured it, and the father drank it all at once. And then they started walking towards the wrong. They did not talk much there also. So, this was the scene when they were walking. They are taking the little journey. They are when they are going to the bus stop. Where is the bus stop? It is in Dirang. So, why is the narrator actually wants to go to bus stop? Yes, for that we have to recap the segment 1. In the segment 1 we have discussed that the narrator has taken 6 months leave. Why? To get married. After taking the 6 months leave, he planned to continue the leave further initially. But later he thought it would be it would not a good idea to extend his holidays, because marriage has increased his responsibilities. That's why he don't want to take holidays. That's why he decided to he planned to return to his workplace. So that's why he was in a hurry to go back to his workplace. He had a small box with him, trunk or a chest, which he has to carry, but he allowed his father to carry. That is what we have discussed just now. Now let us see what happened next. Reading following passage. Father had provided for my education, and I had been able to realize his dream. Yes, the narrator is saying that Father has provided everything, including the education. Everything has been provided by his father. So that's why he was being able to realize his dream. Realize his dream means తన కళను నిజం చేసుకున్నాడు. What was his dream? To become a government official. So that was his dream and he has able to do that. My parents were truly proud of me. Yes, because the narrator has got the official job, government job. That's why the parents were very proud of him. It was through me that they had earned a degree of admiration and respect from the villagers. Just because of that thing. Which thing the thing is referring here? Yes, just because of that. Because of that means what is that? Because of that means here because of the official government job of the narrator. Because the narrator has got the official job, the parents have got the great respect in the society or in the village. narrator కి మంచి జాబ్ పొందడం వల్ల తల్లిదండ్రులకి ఆ యొక్క విలేజ్లో మంచి గౌరవం ఏర్పడింది. మై ఫాదర్ వుడ్ నాట్ లైక్ టు సీ మీ క్యారింగ్ ఎ ట్రంక్ ఆన్ మై బ్యాక్. ఎస్ హిస్ ఫాదర్, దట్స్ వై హీ డిడ్ నాట్ లైక్. తన ఫాదర్ తన ట్రంక్ని మోయడం ఇష్టం లేదు తనకి, ఫాదర్కి. అండ్ వుడ్ బీ వెరీ హర్ట్ ఇఫ్ ఐ డిడ్ సో. ఎస్, ఇఫ్ ఐ డిడ్ సో, నేను అలా చేస్తే ఆయన చాలా బాధపడతాడు. ఇట్ విల్ బీ వెరీ హర్టింగ్ టు హిమ్. సో ఐ కంక్లూడ్ దట్ it would be better to let him carry it. That's why what did the narrator do? He let him to carry the box. Father is used to carry luggage anyway. Yes, anyhow he was used to carry luggages in his earlier life. He was a strong and more skilled than me in these matters. Okay, what is he trying to do? He trying to say here, the narrator is trying to say that father is much stronger and skillful in these matters. Those in these matters means in which matters? In carrying the luggages. I had never got used to physical labor, having stayed hostels right from my childhood. Yes, that's why right from the childhood narrator used to stay in the hostels. చిన్నప్పటి నుంచి హాస్టల్లో ఉన్నాడు. దట్స్ వై హీ వాజ్ నాట్ హీ హ్యాడ్ నెవర్ గాట్ ఎ ఛాన్స్ టు డూ ఫిజికల్ లేబర్. శారీరక శ్రమ చేయడానికి అతనికి ఛాన్స్ దొరకలే. సో ఇన్ స్పైట్ ఆఫ్ మై యూత్ అండ్ స్ట్రెంగ్త్ ఐ వాజ్ ఫిజికలీ యూజ్లెస్. ఇన్ స్పైట్ ఆఫ్ అయినప్పటికీ, in spite he was youth and having strength ఉన్నప్పటికీ I was physically useless అంటున్నాడు. I continued walking silently with father. We rested at two places on the way. And how many places they rested? They rested for the two places on the way. And our tiffin and had our tiffin. Yes, they have their tiffin. But they hardly talked. Hardly talk means they did not talk anything. Finally, we reached Zirong. Yes, Zirong. What is the Zirong? It's the name of the place where the bus used to come, and there the narrator has to get into the bus. So they reached the bus stop. The bus from Tawang had not reached yet. Yes, the bus from Tawang has to come, but it has not come yet. So that's not came yet. Sorry. Reached the Zirong, and so we had some time in hand. Yes, what they had some time. We entered a tea shop. That's why the narrator decided to take some tea. So he took his father to tea shop and sat facing each other. He sat there facing each other, and father appeared tired. How was the father? He appeared very tired, అలసిపోయాడు. I felt sorry for him. Narrator feel very sorry for him because why narrator is feeling the sorry for him, because of him the his father has carried that 20 kilo chest or trunk for that long walk. That's why he became tired just because of me. నా వల్లనే మా ఫాదర్ ఇలా అయిపోయాడని he was feeling very sorry for him. But could not bring myself to say anything. నేను ఏమనలేకపోయాను. I asked the waiter to get us two cup of tea తెమ్మన్నాడు వెయిటర్ని. Just I was going to take my first sip, I heard father's voice. Just he was about to take the sip of the cup, ఆ టీ సిప్ ఇలా తీసుకోబోయే వరకు he heard his father's voice. ఫాదర్ ఇలా అంటూ ఉన్నాడు ఏమని, డూ యూ హ్యావ్ ఎ పేర్ ఆఫ్ ఓల్డ్ షూస్. ఏమడిగాడు? డూ యూ హ్యావ్ ఎ పేర్ ఆఫ్ ఓల్డ్ షూస్. పేర్ ఆఫ్ ఓల్డ్ షూస్ మీన్స్ జత, పాత షూ ఏమైనా జత ఉన్నాయా నీ దగ్గర. వై? ఐ ఆస్క్డ్. narrator asked why. The road is uneven and full of pebbles. Then the father of the narrator said that the road which they have come, వాళ్ళు వచ్చినటువంటి రోడ్ అన్ఈవెన్గా ఉన్నది, అంత ఎత్తులు వంపులుగా ఉన్నది. ఫుల్ ఆఫ్ పెబల్స్, అన్ని గులక రాళ్ళు ఉన్నాయి. హర్ట్స్ వైల్ వాకింగ్. ఎస్, ఇట్ హర్ట్స్ వైల్ వాకింగ్. నడుస్తున్నప్పుడు అది నొప్పిలేస్తున్నది రాళ్ళు. ఐ లుక్డ్ ఎట్ ఫాదర్స్ బేర్ ఫీట్. దెన్ అప్పుడు ఫాదర్ యొక్క బేర్ ఫీట్ని చూశాడు. ఐ నెవర్ హ్యావింగ్ ఓన్ షూస్. ఎస్, బికాస్ హీ నెవర్ ఓన్ ఏ షూస్. ఎప్పుడు ధరించాడు షూస్ వాళ్ళ ఫాదర్. హిస్ ఫీట్ హ్యాడ్ డెవలప్డ్ క్రాక్స్ అండ్ సమ్హౌ రిజెంబల్డ్ దోస్ ఆఫ్ అన్ ఎలిఫెంట్. ఎలిఫెంట్ పాదాల్లాగా పెద్దగా ఉన్నాయట అతని ఫుట్. ఎందుకంటే హీ నెవర్ యూస్ టు హ్యావ్ షూస్. ఐ నోటీస్ దిస్ ఫర్ ద ఫస్ట్ టైం. ఇది తన జీవితంలో ఫస్ట్ టైం తను నోటీస్ చేస్తున్నాడు వాళ్ళ ఫాదర్ యొక్క పాదాలను. ఐ హ్యాడెంట్ నోటీస్ దాట్ ద రోడ్ వాస్ అన్ఈవెన్. ఇంకా అతను ఇంకేం కనిపెట్టలేదు, రోడ్ అన్ఈవెన్ ఉన్నది అనేది కూడా గమనించలేదు. ఎందుకు? ఐ డిడ్ నాట్ హ్యావ్ టు సిన్స్ ఐ వాజ్ వేరింగ్ ఎ పేర్ ఆఫ్ హంటింగ్ బూట్స్. హీ వాజ్ వేరింగ్ ద హంటింగ్ బూట్స్ వేసుకున్నాడు కాబట్టి అతడికి అవసరం రాలే. ఐ చెక్డ్ మై వ్యాలెట్ అండ్ సా ఐ స్టిల్ హ్యాడ్ అరౌండ్ ₹40 విత్ మీ. సో దెన్ హీ టేక్ అవుట్ హిస్ వ్యాలెట్. పర్స్ బయటికి తీశాడు. హీ చెక్డ్ ఇట్. హీ హ్యాడ్ ₹40 విత్ హిమ్. ఏ పేర్ ఆఫ్ క్యాన్వాస్ షూ వుడ్ కాస్ట్ అరౌండ్ ₹12 ఆన్ దోస్ డేస్. ఇది ఆ రోజులలో యొక్క విషయం చెప్తున్నాడు. ₹12కి పేర్ ఆఫ్ క్యాన్వాస్ షూ వస్తాయంట. ద రిమైనింగ్ అమౌంట్ వుడ్ బీ ఎనఫ్ ఫర్ మీ టు గెట్ టు బొమిడియాల్. రిమైనింగ్ అమౌంట్తోని బొమిడియాల్ అనేటువంటి తన వర్కింగ్ ప్లేస్కి వెళ్ళడానికి సరిపోతాయి ఆ డబ్బులు. దాట్ వాస్ ద థింగ్. మై ఫాదర్ ప్రొటెస్టెడ్. ఫాదర్ rejected it. He did not want to take the money. Give me an old pair. What did he say? Give me an old pair. నీ దగ్గర పాత జత ఉంటేనే ఇవ్వు. You don't have to spend money on new shoes. నా కోసం నువ్వు కొత్త షూ మీద డబ్బు స్పెండ్ చేయకు, ఖర్చు పెట్టకు. I couldn't convince him to buy a new pair. కొత్తది కొనించడంలో నేను అతన్ని నచ్చజెప్పలేకపోయాను. Reluctantly I gave him the hunting boots I was wearing. Reluctantly means unwillingly, without having a much interest. So reluctantly what did he do? He gave the hunting shoes which he was wearing at that time. I then took out my pair of leather shoes from the trunk. and noticed my father's face lighting up with contentment. Yes, at that same time, when he take out another pair of leather shoes from the trunk, he saw his father's face. తన ఫాదర్ యొక్క ఫేస్ని చూస్తే లైటనింగ్ అప్, చాలా వెలిగిపోతున్నదట ఆ పాత షూ తీసుకున్న ఫాదర్ యొక్క ఫేసు. అవే చాలా సంతోషాన్ని ఇస్తుంది. సడన్లీ హీ లుక్డ్ ఎట్ మీ అండ్ సెడ్, టేక్ కేర్. హూ సెడ్ దట్ టేక్ కేర్? ఫాదర్ సెడ్, టేక్ కేర్ అన్నాడు. రైట్ టు అస్. హీ ఆల్సో సెడ్, రైట్ టు అస్. ఫాదర్ వాంటెడ్ టు సే సంథింగ్, ఇంకేదో అనాలనుకున్నాడు. బట్ ద బస్ స్టార్టెడ్ మూవింగ్. వాట్ హ్యాపెన్? ద బస్ హ్యాస్ కమ్ అండ్ స్టార్టెడ్ మూవింగ్. I saw my father gradually receding into distance. I saw, చూశాను ఫాదర్ దూరం వెళ్ళిపోతున్నాడు. ఈయన బస్సులో వెళ్తుంటే ఫాదర్ దూరం వెళ్తున్నాడు. I saw the road we had come by looked like a giant motionless rope. మేము వచ్చిన దారిని చూస్తే ఆ దారి ఒక పెద్ద పొడవైనటువంటి దారంలాగా కనిపిస్తున్నది. ఫాదర్ would use the same road to go back home. Now father has to go back home on the same road. Simultaneously our journey started in two opposite directions. Simultaneously అంటే వెంటనే మా యొక్క జర్నీ ఇప్పుడు ఒకేలాగా జరగకుండా ఆపోజిట్ డైరెక్షన్స్లో స్టార్ట్ అయిపోయింది. ఆయన అటు వెళ్ళడం, ఈయన ఇటు వెళ్తున్నాడు. with me seated in the luxurious సీట్ ఆఫ్ ద బస్. నేనేమో లగ్జరియస్గా చాలా కంఫర్టబుల్గా ఉన్నటువంటి ఒక సీట్లో కూర్చున్నాను. ఫాదర్ వాకింగ్ విత్ వేరీ లెగ్స్. వేరీ మీన్స్ టైర్డ్, ఇప్పటికీ అలసిపోయినటువంటి పాదాలతోని ఆన్ ద పెబుల్ స్ట్రీవెన్ రోడ్, ఆ పెబుల్తో కూడినటువంటి ఆ రోడ్డు మీద నడుచుకుంటూ వెళ్ళాల్సి ఉన్నది. So this is the actual lesson, actual passage given here. Now we have to choose the answers here for the comprehension. Choose the right choice for the question number 1. What reasons did the author have conclude that his father would carry the luggage? Go for the option A, B, C, D and check out which is the right answer. And next one, according to the passage, how many places did they take rest before reach the wrong? Yes, you can write this one easily. Go for read the ABCD option and then you can easily find out the answer, I think. The third one, final destination was of the author was. Which was the final destination? You can final destination means the place he want to visit, reach, or which place you want to reach. From reading the paragraph again, if you can go back again read it, you can easily understand. Then author and his father went to a dash shop and sat facing each other. Which shop they have went and sat facing each other? Take the options from the below and write it. And the cracks of the father's bare foot resembles of those. దేంతో పోల్చాడు? cracks of the father's foot. Yes, you can easily get the answer for it also. Then sixth one, the author gave the father a pair of dash. What pair he has given? Then seventh one, father's face lighted up with the contentment. Contentment refers to what here? What is the contentment? Then eighth one, my father protested. Why do you think so? Why he protested? Why he rejected something? Father asked. The ninth one, father asked for the old pair of shoes because. Why do you think he has asked for the old pair only? Why didn't he take the new pair? You can find the answer from the ABCD. And then finally, 10th one, what does the phrase opposite direction in the last sentence suggest? What do you mean by that? You can understand they have started their journey in opposite directions. What does it mean? You take the answers from ABCD. Now let us move to firstly to the second section 2, that is read the following passage given below 5 sentences in the paragraph are numbered at the beginning. Each sentence has an error. Correct them by choosing the right option. Yes, here the question number 11. For example, on my way home from the bus stop, my trunk has been carried by a porter. This is the actual sentence. You have to check out where the grammatical mistake is in this sentence and choose the right sentence from the options given. And the 12th one, the problem now was we could not find someone who could help me carry the trunk to the bus stop. Can you guess the where do you find the grammatical error, and which one is the do you think is the wrong, and find out the right answer from the options given. At that time, at time another of year, we would have easily found someone to help me, but now most of the villagers were busy in the fields. Similarly, here also one sentence structure is been given wrong, and the word order. I think I will give you the I will give you the hint here. Word order, here the problem is with word order. The words order is not maintained. You have to check that one. 14th one, nobody had time to spare with me. So here you have to use the correct preposition. Yes, problem is with the preposition. Find out the correct preposition here. Next 15th question. In fact, carrying the trunk should not have been such a worry for me, except then my education had made me shunned physical labor. You take the correct answer from the ABCD. Let us move fast to the next section 3, editing. Again, here we have been given some words underlined. For example, question number 16, purpose has been underlined. What you have to do for the given give the synonym of the underlined word. Purpose, you have to give the synonym. Same meaning. Then word with the same meaning is a synonym. You have to give the same word, same meaning word to the word, that purpose. Next one, give the antonym of the underlined word. 17th, what is the underlined word? Arranged. You have to give the antonym means opposite word. Then you have to give the antonym of the opposite word of the what is that? 17th, arranged. Then replace the underlined word with the correct one. You have to press 18th one, in is there, you have to replace it with the correct preposition. 19th, replace the underline with the correct form. The forms has been given. 19th, realize. You can realization, realized, realizing. Those are the other forms which will be shooting. Yes, here options have been given. Which will be the most opted one? You can choose. The 20th one, last here in this section, underline the replace the underlined word in its correct form. Yes, again we have to replace the underlined word initial. What should be the correct form of the initial there? Now finally we have moved to the creative section. Now answer the creative writing discourse, the home assignment. The answer of this question is to be submitted to your teacher on WhatsApp or in a notebook according to what we have to think. Yes, here the explanation has been given. Listen carefully. According to the passage, the author and his father, on reaching the Derong, find that the bus from the Tawang had not yet reached. They have some time in hand, and they enter the tea stall. Here they talk to each other. They talk to each other. Suddenly they realized that the bus arrived, and the both part in two different directions. Now what you have to write? Now write the possible conversations between them from the time they enter the tea stall till they parted. Yes, The conversation must have a beginning, it should have a topic, it should have a middle of the conversation, then finally you should conclude. The conclusion should also be there. Yes, formal, you can start the conversation formally. Okay dad, have a seat, please be seated, like that you can start with the formal expressions. What do you like to take, father? For example, the narrator would say, and the father would say that, okay, nothing more than a cup of tea. It would be better for us to take a tea only, no, nothing more. Like that, the expression should be used. That these are called the expressions, formal expressions, and this is should be at the beginning, and then it should have a topic. What is the topic to be written there? The main topic here in the conversation is to talk about their pair of shoe. So they have to enter the into that particular topic about the pair of shoe. There they have to talk about the pair of shoe. Then the author is or narrator is trying to give the his some new money to buy the new pair of shoe, but the father rejected that. He protested. He wanted only old shoes. Like that, by all these things should be reflected in your conversation, and finally there should be a conclusion, or the conclusion should be saying, bidding farewell to each other. Take care, like the father said, take care, right to us, like those words should be used in the conversation. I think you have understood. I hope you will complete this task as early as possible. We will meet in the next class. Till then, this is your Salim sir signing.